flew in from Argentina, Reinhard Molter. So let's give Reinhard a quick round of applause. Thank you. Reinhard is the CEO of Hexagon Consulting, and Hexagon has something incredible in the last 5 weeks, basically putting the HANA Cloud Platform, that platform as a service offering that we have, to real-life use for the financial services space. And I've invited him up here on stage during the keynote to walk you through that scenario. So, Reinhard, over to you.
Karl, thank you very much.
Sorry.
Thank you very much, Karl, for giving me the opportunity to share with my colleagues a bit of PickOffer and also our experience with the HANA Cloud Platform that are both very tied together. What is PickOffer? PickOffer is an application targeted to banks around the subject of next best offer for their customers. Banks are increasing their business through non-traditional revenue stream, basically with loyalty programs and promotions with retailers. And this application would be targeted to their customers, where they can tell them which would be my next suggested offer. In this case, here you can see just 3 examples. If I would be here in the convention center and I have some time, what you suggest me to buy nearby? The next one could be if I'm really online at the point of sale and this information goes through the bank, that at that moment they suggest me a next purchase. Or another one is that, well, I'm going after this convention, I'm going to the shopping center, what do you have to suggest me in that area? That's basically three basic ideas of what could be a next best offer. If you translate this to technology, this has basically three stacks. You need, as a bank, a good place where you store all the historical information, demographics, probably social, so you're getting obviously more comprehensive data. That's called what's traditionally called a data warehouse. Then you need a predictive model with which you predict this next best offer based on the consumption of the customer and their peers. And you need something to give the customer its experience, the customer experience. If you translate this to SAP's technology, here it's what comes to obviously to HANA, but not only HANA, also all the tools and libraries around HANA, the geospatial references and the predictive libraries, plus tools like the SAP predictive analytics to build, where you build the models, and SAP mobile platform, again, where you build what you show the end customer. This is the basic technology behind, but one back. It's the key of this is the HANA Cloud Platform, because there is where we developed this. And we had certain knowledge about the technologies before we began the development, but only when we heard about the HANA Cloud Platform, and this was only 6 weeks ago, we really thought, well, this is something that we can make happen. And we signed up to the HANA Cloud Platform subscription, and in 5 weeks we are ready to present this here. We are demoing it on our store, in our booth, and also on a demo in the demo live theater tomorrow at 4:30 if you want to hear a bit more detail about this. I can just say that the HANA Cloud Platform works. It works very well, and for not so big partners like we are, and now you can go to one more, is that it is a very, very efficient way to access technology, and it's very easy to use, and it was really a very positive surprise for a very positive experience for us interacting with it. Hexagon, as I said, we are 4 years old now. We operate 100% on the financial service industry, in core banking, HANA, predictive modeling, and now also moving into the omnichannel business. And I just want to reinforce that I'm probably the one that visited now the 4th financial summit. For us being so far away, it is a very, very good place here for network with peers and getting to know what's around in the world. And I also have to appreciate really much Karl's support of his team, especially a person called Laura Del Rio that for 3 years now is supporting us and enabling us and bringing us nearer a lot of the offerings of SAP. So that was all what I had to share with you, and of course I welcome you to visit us at our booth and talk about PickOffer or whatever that's interesting.
Thank you, Ryan.